Hello guys, this is my simple concept of a soldering machine. There's a lead wire going into a stainless steel pipe, and there's a very tiny little hole here, which is this one. And I'm going to demonstrate you what it's going to look like. There is a very little bit of a solder paste here, lead. And I'm gonna use it like this. Okay. So obviously, okay. Oops. It's okay. So obviously it's welded, soldered. I'm sorry, soldered. So if I melt it again, now you get the point. So I should have some kind of a heating device right here, and soon as like this one here, soon as I just have to punch it like this, right? And soldering is so much easier to just like little bit of a push instead of using 2 wires and try to solder. So that's my concept idea. It seems to be working. I tested a few times. This one is iron, but the best one is it works best with stainless steel. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.